time we see the sun in the sky. Come, let us see if there is anything else other than the sun in the sky. What is there in the sky? Look at the dark sky at the night when there is no cloud. You will see a large number of stars, some of which are very bright and some are less. Some are big, some are small. The interesting point is this that these small stars are actually quite bigger than our earth, and some of them are even many times bigger than the sun. Now the question is, why do these stars appear so small to us? Let us see. Activity 1. Take two football of the same size, go to the playground and place these balls at least 50 meter apart. Now move away to about 30 meters and look at the balls in such a way that the two balls and you are in a straight line. Now note the size of the balls. Are the size of the two balls are same? When the things are far away from us, they appear smaller to us. Now you must have understood why the stars which are big in size appear so small to us. If if you observe minutely, you will see some objects other than the stars. They do not twinkle like the stars. These are planets, which are our Earth, revolve round the sun. Sometimes, for a moment, a bright line can be seen in the sky. Actually, they are burning meteors. In this way, our Earth and the other planets, the Sun and the Moon, meteors, etc., together form the Milky Way. Let us know some more about them. Stars and the stars world. The stars are the most attractive of all the objects in the sky. These are such objects which emit light and energy continuously. Sun is the nearest star to Earth. It is because of sun's light that the other stars are not visible in the sky. Most of the stars are so far away. That is, it takes lakhs of years for their light to reach Earth. Distance of stars are indicated in light years. What is light years? Let us. The distance traveled by light in a year at the speed of 3 lakh km per second is known as 1 light year. Therefore, light year is a unit of distance. It equals in a year there is 365 days, 1 day 24 hours, in 1 hour 60 minute, and 1 minute there is 60 second into 3 lakh kilometer per second. That is, if we product them, we got 9.46 into 10 raised to the power 12 kilometers. The sun is about 15 crores of kilometer away from the earth. It takes about 8.3 minutes for the sunlight to reach earth, so we can say that the sun is 8.3 light minute away. After the sun, the nearest star to the Earth is Alpha Centauri, which is about 4.3 light year away. The brightest star, Sirius, is about 8.7 light year away. We can see countless stars in the sky. If you look carefully, you could see a band of stars from north to south. It is the Milky Way. There are many such constellations of stars or galaxies in the universe. Our Milky Way is one among the lakhs of galaxies present in the universe. Our solar system is situated in this Milky Way. Sun as well as all the stars are revolving with great speed around one or the other heavenly bodies. Because of the distance, we are not able to know the changes between these stars. We know that our earth is rotating round its axis from west to east, but we find the star moving from east to west. One star which is in the north appears motionless. We know by its the name pole star. The pole star has been used to know the direction for a long time. If we observe, we can find some star groups forming some shapes. The group of stars is called constellations. All the stars of constellation away remain together, so the shape of constellation also remain the same. Our ancestors have named them according to the shape they form as big Saptarishi, Ursa Major, lighter Saptarishi, or Little Bear, Ursa Minor, and Orion. Let us see some constellation. This is big Saptarishi. Here we can see 7 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is look like a kalchon we used in kitchen, and the 2 stars at the last. Uh, from these 2 stars straight towards north, a brighter star is known as pole star. Here, second constellation known as Orion, Hunter or Kalpurus, given look like Hunter, Orion constellation. Out of the 7 stars, there 3 are on the handle of the saucepan and the other 4 are in the pan. 2 stars on the top of the saucepan are called indicating stars. The line joining them points to the pole star in the small Saptarishi. Uh, all 7 stars are brighter. The pole star is situated at the top of the handle here. Therefore, some times it is also called the Dhruva Matsya. Orion is also one of the main constellations seen in the sky, which has more bright shining stars than other constellations. The shape of this constellation is of a hunter, so it is also called the Kalpurus. Try to recognize this constellation and try to find the position of the pole star. Now answer this following question in comment section. Some stars which are bigger than the sun appear some to us small to us. One star is 3.4 light years away from Earth. What does this means? How would you find the star which appears to be in the north? Tell me these questions answer in the comment section, and tell me also how you uh, and like our channel, rate and review this, and kindly share it with your friends. Thanks.